I'm trying to check this wig that I put on. If it's good because I bought it today. I think the wig fits me. To this side, some of all these small hairs where they come out, I know they like them at all. You understand?